guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chill Relax Plant Content, where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so we stop killing them. So if that's something you'd like to be a part of, or contribute to, or just hang out, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. Okay, so today I'm just going to take you around. If you don't notice, I kind of switched up my plant space. It's not going to be a tour yet, but I am going to take you around and just show you, what's going on the plants. I have a couple of plants blooming, a couple of plants peduncling, and a couple of plants that are just putting out a lot of growth, and I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Come on. Okay guys, so the first plant I want to show you is my Hoya bertoniere, or bilobata, or D70, whatever you want to call it. It's peduncling, so I'm excited. I believe these are like a small purpley flower, and I have heard that some people either think the flowers smell like butterscotch, nice and sweet. Other people think they smell gross. So I'm excited to find out. That's the only, oh no, I'm fibbing. There's another peduncle right there. Get another little up close on this guy. How cute. So pretty. Doesn't like focusing. But yeah, so those are the only two that I see on that one. Everything else is doing pretty well. I had to turn off the light so that you could actually see. So yeah, guys, check it out. Sorry for the background, but look, my Hoya bilobata. Oh, and we have Superwoman baby, super dog. But we have bilobata. Try to find a little, or also bertoniere, or DS70. Look at how cute those flowers are. I'm in the middle of cooking dinner, so this is gonna be real short, but I just wanted to show you. Look how pretty. I don't smell anything yet. I think they literally just opened up, so I will check back a little later. But yeah, freaking cute. Okay, the next one I want to show you is my Joyous Sunrise. Now, I know she doesn't look like much, but we have 2 new leaves. 2. I've had this girl for over a year. No new leaf. We finally got one that came out kind of funky, and now we have 2 more. Ho 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 ho. So exciting. So exciting. Alright guys, so a little bit of sad news. The peduncles that we had is starting to put out blooms, blasted off, but the peduncles have stayed. So one day, maybe, we'll get flowers on the Hoya, Rebecca. Maybe. We do have some new leaves though. Look how pretty that leaf is. Beautiful. Alright, the next blooms I want to show you is my begonia, oh, what is it called? Cosiana. This is what I looked up and found. So if anybody disagrees with that name, let me know in the comments below. But these are the flowers. They're starting to fall off, but they're really cute. Pretty begonias. I am gonna put these guys up on stakes, kind of like Dea has. She's another YouTuber. You probably have seen her videos, so, but I'll link her in the description if you haven't. But she does a lot of relaxing, chill plant content, and she has beautiful begonias, so go check her out. Alright, so my orchids. So actually, I thought I have 3 in here, I thought each plant put out a flower spike. I was wrong. One plant put out 2 flower spikes. So we got this guy flowering. Look Look at how beautiful those flowers are. And we still have some flowers from the white one. I do have a yellow flowering one, this one back here, but there's no spike. But we have a good amount of new growth and new roots coming in, so I think we're okay. So pretty. My Oxalis plants are flowering. The purple leaves have a little purple flower, and then the green leaves have a little white flower. Very cute. This guy's always flowering. If you want little dainty flowers around, get an Oxalis. They're a very good flowering plant. Oh, we have, oh no, those are just some old flowers off of the Bendigo, I think it's called, or the Sinbad. That one's the Sinbad. Old flowers. But still, you know, those came out white, and those are more from the Cosiana. Just another view of the begonias. Very pretty. So next I'm going to show you is my lace vine. Now they still haven't opened, but we have flowers, and it looks like they're going to be fuzzy flowers. That looks awesome. There's another one right here, and another one right here. So I'm excited to see what that looks like when they open up. Yeah, look how beautiful these look. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Here is an opened lace flower. Look how cool that is. It's got little pink dots in the middle, and the edges are all fluffy or furry. Very cute. They don't last long, maybe a day or two before they, you know, crisp up and fall off, but really cool. Lace vine flower. Hey guys, so here is a fully open view of the plant. Really pretty. It's got like purple dots that go into pink, or that's what it looks like anyway. Very pretty plant. I love the little ruffles on the edges. So yeah, you guys really should look into getting the lace vine. Very pretty plant. Beautiful. Alright guys, and would this be a Kelly Hoyas video if I did not talk about Hoyas? So just to show you some blooms right here. These are from my Crimson Queen. My Crimson Princesses are not blooming, but at my local store they had a huge Crimson Queen that was in bloom. I was very tempted to buy it, but I didn't. I'll put the picture of that. I did take a picture of the blooms. I'll put a picture right there so that we can compare. But look how beautiful. We also have another peduncle. Oop, where are you? Right here. Focus. Look. So I'm excited. I'm just glad we got peduncles on this one. I don't see any peduncles or blooms on any of my princesses, which is upsetting, but it's okay. Same with the compactus. But we are putting out new growth. He's splitting off, so that's even cooler. So maybe we'll get a peduncle on that guy soon, hopefully. This guy doesn't have any. He is dusty. I gotta clean him. There are no peduncles on my Wayeti, unfortunately. But guys, I think we're gonna get new. Can you see? I think we're finally getting new leaves. Finally. I mean, I've had these tendrils for months at this point. There are no peduncles on this guy, although I would think he would have them because he's so prolific and seems to be happy. And then down here, my other princess does have peduncles. Hold on. Well, she had peduncles. It looks like they blasted. Well, she still has the peduncle, but she doesn't have any of the, oh, it looks like it's got stepped on. Any of the blooms on her still. But maybe next time, right? But it's always good, I think, to have a peduncle, whether or not you have blooms, because there's always the hope and possibility that you can have them. So that is it. All that I know for now. If you want some more plant updates, find me on Instagram at Kelly_Hoya. I post some plant stuff there, you know, it's cool. And until next time, guys, relax, plant, and peace out. Let me know what plants you have blooming. Alrighty, bye.